It's very easy. You can do it. So what I want you to do, I want you to know how to multiply this type of equation when you are given, when you are told to find this type of matrices. So with the matrices, what you should know is to do. You know, most of the businessmen they use a matrix formula for counting their things in their shops. So you find they pack things in matrix form. So the same way we are told to multiply these matrices. So in my equation, I have an equation here which is given P and Q. So now we are told to find PQ. So how are we going to find PQ? So what we are going to do in our solution, already we have PQ. We have they have already given us. This one is so good. So now we shall have P. We have 2, 1, then 1, 3. What about Q? Our Q also is given to be 1, -1. Then here we have 0 and 2. So when we are dealing with the matrix, so what we are going to do next, we are going to multiply this, since we are told to get P what? P Q. So now we shall now multiply row by column. So we shall multiply like this, then we go down. So you multiply, you go horizontal, then you come to a vertical formula, vertical way. So as I was saying, we multiply now. This is 2 by 1 plus 1 times 0. Then the next one, so we multiply this by this, then this one by this one. Then we come down also in our down whatever. Here also we shall multiply. This is 1 times 1, this times this, then 3 plus 3 times 0. This one times this one. That's how you're going to do your multiplication. Then we go to the next row on our Q side. We have still here we shall have 2 times -1 plus 1 plus 1 times 2. So that's how you're going to do it. You multiply also the same way you did from the beginning. Now we go to the down row. We have 1 times -1 plus 3 times what? Times 2. So once you finish to lay your numbers like that, the next part is for you to multiply. It's very easy now. You can either use your calculator for you to get this. It will give you the right answer. So what I want you to do next now, from when you reach here, you just go and multiply your equation and you get your final answer. Now we have 2 times 1 plus 1 times 0. So here our answer we shall now have here 2 times 1 is 2, then 1 times 0 is 0. So 2 plus 0 is 2. So then we go to the next one. Next one we have 2 times -1. So then plus 1 times 2. So 2 times -1, it's already -2. Then plus 1 times 2, which is 2. So which means a negative plus a positive, it gives you a negative, which is a 0. So here we shall have 0. Then we come down. Here we shall now have 1 times 1 is 1 plus 3 times 0, which is 0. Here we shall have 1. Then here to the next one, we shall now have 1 times -1, which is -1 plus 3 times 2, which is 6. Now a positive -1 plus a positive 6. it will give you the answer of 5. And that is your final answer. That's how you are supposed to solve that equation when you are given. The most challenging area is just comes from this multiplication part. So when you're finished to multiply this, when you put them in all arrangement very well, you can be able to solve such equation. Thank you for being part of this video. Wish you the best in case when you meet such equation. Just make sure that when you are doing it, you put your thing in a proper manner. Thank you. See you in the next video.